Welcome back to RGSecurityTeam. Today I bring you another new tool. Many of you know very well about the CamPhish tool, how powerful and important a tool it is. But it has some weaknesses, due to which many people do not want to use it. For example, it takes low-quality pictures and the pictures are not of the original size. And the UI design on the victim side is also not very good. So I want to introduce this tool to you. Its name is Evil Eye. It is a tool made with Bash script. It is able to silently take high-quality pictures from the victim's device and send them to the attacker's device. It uses all modern templates and uses Cloudflare as a tunnel. And both its victim-side templates and attacker-side UI are very user-friendly and of very good quality. So I recommend you to use this tool. Before starting the video, remember one thing. This is for educational purposes only. Using this kind of tool for bad purposes is a punishable offense. So please, no one should use it for bad purposes. So let's start. So first open this link in your browser. Here you will get complete details about it, how to install, how to use, etc. To download it, go to the install guide and copy and paste this command in the terminal. Then it will be cloned in your system. Then go to the Evil Eye folder and give executable permissions to its main script, evil.sh file. Then run it. It will check the requirement dependencies. If they are missing, it will automatically download the missing packages. As you can see, Cloudflare is detected missing here and it is automatically downloading Cloudflare. As you can see, our Tools menu has opened. First, we need to select templates. There are 5 templates here. We will look at each template. First, we are selecting the YouTube template, which is number 1. Then it will ask for a video link. Enter the link of the video you want to embed here. I am giving a link to a video here. Then from here you have to choose the tunneling option. I am choosing Cloudflare from here. You can run it on localhost and use any other tunnel if you want. Now this will start the PHP server and give us a direct phishing link. Now you have to deliver this link to your victim with your social engineering skills. For now, I am opening it with my browser. In most cases, the victim unknowingly clicks the Allow button. As you can see, after I click the Allow button, the image captured by the front camera of my desktop is being sent to the attacker's system in the background. You can see that the image is being captured here. To stop it, press Ctrl+C button and it will stop. To see the captured images, open the Evil Eye folder and open the Captured Images folder. Here you will find all the captured images. Now we will try using the second template. To do this, run the tools again and type 2 to select the second template. Now here you have to enter the name of the victim, which will be shown on the page. I'm giving the name of my channel as an example. You can give the name here according to your target. Then I have started the Cloudflare tunnel here again. Then I'm opening the tunnel link again in my browser. As you can see, here again a very good high-quality image has been captured. We will then use the next templates. To use this template, you first need to create a text file and write some messages in it. For example, here I am creating a text file and writing some messages in it. Then type the path of this text file in the terminal or drag and drop it. Then the messages of our text file will be loaded here. Then again I am selecting Cloudflare Tunnel. Then I show you the next template. And this is the complete review of Evil Eye. If you like this tool, then like the video and encourage us. And stay with us by subscribing to our channel to get updates on all such new tools. See you in the next video. Thank you.